Hey everyone, today I'm going to be swatching the new Milk Cosmetics Digital Dust Duo Blush. I picked up the shade Raw Honey. This is literally going to be such a quick video, but I'm just going to be showing you guys swatches of this beautiful little blush duo. This retails for around $50 Canadian, which is very, very expensive for a blush, but honestly I love blushes, so I decided to splurge. I decided to just get one of the shades since I couldn't afford all three, and I got the shade Raw Honey, which is the one that is more like mauve sort of thing. So there is a B indentation into the left side, but of course that's going to get rubbed off while using it. I tried to swatch around it. So I really like the packaging. It's very heavy duty and like luxurious feeling. It's definitely like, you can tell you're spending a bit much. It has a magnetic closure, so literally you just pull it open and then it just magnetically closes, which is great. It does come with a mirror, which looks like this. As you guys can see, there is a bee pattern and like a honeycomb pattern going on there. And then this is what it looks like without flash. It's just really pretty. Honestly, I thought this one was one of the prettiest. I did want the other two, but obviously I'm just going to wait for a sale at this point. These are available at Sephora as well, so if you are in Canada, you can save some money by shopping at Sephora instead of, you know, paying customs and duties and all that. I'm so sorry, I keep hitting my camera. As for swatches, so on the top, we have the right side, which is the, like the lighter blush shade. The underneath that is the left side, which is the darker blush shade, and then bottom we have them both mixed together, and then I have it blended out on beneath. I just blended it out in a circle sort of formation so you guys could see, like, it looks intense like this, but blended out I think it's gorgeous. I personally do like sparkly cheeks and glitter chic products, so I know this isn't going to be for everybody. A lot of people like matte blushes, but for me, I love when they have illuminating properties, which this obviously does have. I mean, you can see the glow, and I do like them mixed together. I do think that with pale skin like me, you'd have to use this lightly, like, unless you want a really, like, overdone blush effect. Like, they are just so beautiful. Like, look at them. It is just such, like, it's so unique. Like, I don't have any sort of blushes in this tone, nor do I have them like this, like shimmery like this. I definitely see myself blending it up into my highlight as well. I think that'll be gorgeous. That being said, let me know down below what you guys think of these on the cheeks. I will show you cheek swatches as well, and honestly, they look really pretty in my opinion. When I do get the other shade that I want, I will do a video, but for now, this is what we got. I do appreciate that there are two shades, so you can use one or the other. Like, looking at these, you don't think that they'd be necessarily great together, but they are. They're really beautiful. And I just love, like, how it blended out. It's actually a really nice product. I apologize for the noise in the background. It's really warm, so I have the aircon on. These shades are honestly so beautiful by themselves, but together they just add this dimension to the face. What I personally like doing is I like adding the lighter shade first and moving that in towards the inner bit of my cheek, and then I go in with Raw, which is the darker shade, and I enjoy using that towards the outer bit of my face. Obviously these have a lot of shine to them and they do show your texture. I have a very textured face, but you know, I kinda just need to get over it. So if you don't like your texture being emphasized, just know that it will be emphasized, so you may not like it. I also apologize for all the breakouts on my face. Your girl's having a tough time. Milk Cosmetics is a brand that is, like, relatively expensive, so I always end up saving up money just in case they, you know, have a launch that I like. But I'm definitely intrigued by these, like, illuminating blush duos. Like, I definitely think that they'll be something I use in my collection. I love blushes, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.